come down here more often.
Do we need to introduce everyone to Herman?
Yes. What is this? Okay. All right. How can we make a simple toy nasty?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get that coffee cup. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. Get him. Yeah. Get it. Get that nasty coffee cup.
That was easy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh.
Is it about to go there?
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Hi.
What is wrong with us?